Hello everyone, I am Prabhakar Sakre, working as a lecturer in a mechanical engineering department at SPM Polytechnic Kumte Solapur. Today we are going to study about the ball bearings. Now, what are the learning outcomes? After this lecture, students are able to understand what is bearing and ball bearing. They are able to explain constructional details of the ball bearing. They can write features of the ball bearing and applications of the bearing. Now, what is bearing? Bearing is a mechanical element used to facilitate rotational motion between shaft and housing with minimum friction. What is meant by ball bearing? As the name indicates, the rolling element is used in this as a ball, so the name is ball bearing. Now, what are the functions of the bearing? First one, bearing should ensure free rotation between shaft and axle. Second one, it should support shaft and axle. And third one, it should take up the forces which will come on shaft and axle. Now, reflection spot. Name the parts of the bearing as per the numbers for given figure. Observe the figure and numbers are given and name the parts. After your answer, play the video. In next slide, you will get the answer. Now, constructional feature of the bearing. Parts of ball bearing. Bearing consists of following parts. First one, inner race. It has a groove on outer side and the shaft is placed inside the inner race. Second one, outer race. It has a groove on inner side. Third one, rolling element, that is balls. Balls are placed between inner and outer race. And fourth one, cage. Cage is the important element which supports the balls while bearing is in working condition. Now, what are the materials used for the bearing? Generally, SAE 52100 steel is used for balls, inner race and outer race of the bearing. And for cage, steel, brass or in some cases plastic is used. Now, applications of the bearing. I will explain some typical applications here. First one, small and medium size motors and electric fans. Second one, motorcycle, automobiles. Third one, conveyors. Fourth one, light loaded gearboxes. And fifth one, light load machine tool. And last one, small pumps and blowers. You can see that all these are applications where load coming on machine part is small. So these are the applications of the ball bearing. Now, reference. I have referred for this Design of Machine Element by V.B. Bhandari by Tata McGraw-Hill's Companies, 3rd edition. I hope you got some idea about the ball bearings. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you once again. Bye bye.